Hello and welcome to Goa 365's English News Bulletin. I'm Maithili and these are the headlines. Negligence at NH 66 near Mersey Junction. Inadequate safety measures raise accident concerns. Israel War Cabinet debates retaliatory action against Iran. US not too keen on retaliatory action. Breezy hot Tuesday ahead with increasing cloud cover. Temperatures to remain in mid-30s. And now for the news in detail. A concerning case of negligence has come to light on the NH 66 near Mersey Junction involving a temporary diversion put up due to road works. The road leading to the diversion has only one safety board, which has sparked fears of potential accidents in the area. Here's our reporter Vincent Rosario with more on this.
Just 50 meters away from here, Panjim येता मार्गाव सोडिया तू पेंजीम येता पळय त्या रोडाचेर जस्ट 50 meters away आनी हिंगा 50 मिटर्सांक एक बोर्ड सायन बोर्ड मारलेलो आहा वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस म्हणून PWD हो तुमी पळयता तो एक बोर्ड हिंगा मारलेलो आहा वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस. सो तूं सांग ही आतां 80 or 90 स्पिडीचेर गाडी येता पळय ती ऑन स्पॉटाचेर कसो ब्रेक मारून रावपाची. हो एक बोर्ड मारलेलो आसा तो पळया तुमी हिंगा वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस म्हणून. सो हे आतां व्हेकल 80-90 स्पिडीचेर येता पळय तेणी कशें ऑन स्पॉटाचेर डायवर्शन घेवपाचें. सो हिंगा सेल्फ एक्सिडेंट जावन हिंगा कितल्याच जाणांचे लायफाक रिस्की आहा. पूण ह्या लायफाचे रिस्कीचे ह्या खंयच्याच ऑथॉरिटीचे डिपार्टमेंटाचे हो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक हे रुल्स एंड रेग्युलेशन घालपाचे हो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचे रिस्ट्रिक्ट रावपाचे हे कोण हिंगा कोणाकूच खंयच्याच ऑथॉरिटीक पडलेले ना. ह्यात तुमी पळयतात पळय फूल स्पिडीन पळय कश्यो गाडयो येता त्यो आनी हाका हिंगा प्रॉपर सायन बोर्ड मारलेले ना. सो गाडी तुका हिंगा व्हेकल येता पळय ती 80-90 स्पिडीचेर येता आनी सडनली हिंगा पावल्या म्हणटच ह्या रस्त्याचेर हिंगा ताका रोड क्लोज केल्लो दिश्टी पडटा आनी ताका डायवर्शन आहा. पूण एक स्पॉट आहा ती एक हिंगा डायवर्शन बोर्ड मारलेलो ना, फकत वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस. पूण वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस कहलो वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस आनी डायवर्शन खंयच्यान घेवपाचें तें कांयच हिंगा सारकें कोणेच कितेंच मारलेलें ना. सो आतां हे एक्सिडेंट रस्त्याचेर जाता तेजो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आतां कोण पळय तें पळय, कित्याक हे निग्लेजन ऑफ गव्हर्मेंट ऑथॉरिटी व PWD आतां खंयचो डिपार्टमेंट तोवूय हिंगा आतां सांगता ते भाशेन कांयच खबर ना. सर हे आतां NH 66चेर फ्रॉम पेंजीम टू सांताक्रूज हे हायवेचेर काम चालू आहा आनी आतां कामाच्या सायटीचेर तुमी उबे आहा. सो तुमकां हे कामाचे स्टँडर्ड आनी कामाची क्वॉलिटी ऑफ वर्क ते तुमकां आतां आनी सेफ्टी ऑफ द रोड सेफ्टी तुमकां ते कशें पळोवपाक दिसता आतां तुमी हिंगा यो.
म्हाका पयलें सांगपाचें आय एम शॉक्ड एंड सरप्राइज्ड that after taking up a major contract of putting up this entire four-lane driveway on this national highway, that they have now realized that there should have been this work done underneath. Fearing a collapse, they have started the work now. Now this clearly shows that there has not been application of mind, and we are concerned seriously because as a consumer organization, we are going to take this up at the highest level on the issue of road safety with the transport department, PWD and all the concerned officials, because this is not only putting thousands and thousands of people into inconvenience, including the tourists who are coming to the state of Goa to face this type of a problem, which should have been taken into account much before this work was being undertaken. This is not only shameful, but it reflects the poor quality of planning and application of mind by our senior engineers. This is very worrisome because as we see today, the number of road accidents that are taking place, the road accidents are going to increase in this small area, because what I have noticed here is the poor signage that has been put on road safety. So we are here at this board here. You can see this board is put by, says PWD and says work in progress. Now this is the issue which is central to this work that is being taken up here. There has to be a comprehensive information displayed here stating who is executing the work, which division of the PWD, and just saying work in progress is not good enough for the people who are driving, riding, because there are interstate riders and drivers, not only local people. So it's very important, and you can see the size, just see the size of this board. It's pathetic that the PWD has not even bothered to put an extensive board. Already you can see the traffic piling up here. There is no speed limit, slow down signage, which is very, very crucial for people who are reaching this diversion. And we have already seen 2 people have died yesterday at Bambolim on the same stretch. Now this is what we are saying. PWD has to take responsibility for what it's doing. It cannot shirk its responsibility.
Vincent Rosario, Manish Parab and Omkar Deshprabhu for Guwahati 65.
Theft cases are increasing across the state, with thieves now targeting homes even in broad daylight. Another incident adds to the growing list, this time in Pateballi, where Inacio Fernandez's house fell victim to theft. The perpetrators reportedly removed pipes to gain entry, making away with gold valued at 6 lakhs and 15,000.
आता तुम्ही जाणा ती चोरयो ह्यो जायत आसात चोरयांची कमी जावपाची हे म्हणते जायना आनी तुम्ही जाणा बेतलबाटी जाली मडगांव जाली जाय तिश्यो चोरी आसात ह्यो आता ह्या हेजेर जावपा लागले कितें आनी असो चोरी जी आसा ही पाट्या बाळ्ळे हांगा इनासियो फेर्नांडीस म्हणटा गे घरां जाली आनी ह्या चोरांनी फाटल्यान नळे काडले आनी फाटली देंवले आनी फाटली दारां खीळ काडून हेणी जे आलमारे भितर लावन दवरलेले जे भांगर आसा हे भांगर सगळी चोरून व्हेले हे जे इनासियो म्हणटगे घर आसा त्या घरांत चोरी जावन हे सगळी वेले कडेन आसा त्याचवर 15,000 कॅश आनी टोटल गोल्डाची जी रेट आसा ही जवळ जवळ 5.5 ते 6 लाखां वयर आसा आनीक ही व्हरतरेक रातची न्हिदले कडेन सकाळ फुडें न्हिदले कडेन आसतना ही चोरी जाली आनी रोखडी तेणी सकाळ फुडें उठतरेक कळटरेक तेणी कुंकळे पुलिसांक कंप्लेन केली पुलीस येवन हांगा आजुनूय तेंचे सर्च ऑपरेशन जे आसा हे चालू आसा ते आता सगळी सीसीटीव्ही पळयतात एक सीसीटीव्हीचेर 2 जाण जे आसा ते देंवतात रातचे 3:30 सुमार आनी ते येता ते मेळ्ळे कडेन आसा आता जे कुंकळे पुलिसां फुडें एक चॅलेंज आसा की ही कशी डिटेक्ट करपाची बेगीच्या बेगीन ह्या चोरीचो सूक्ष्म रावचो आनीक पेट्रोलिंग वाडोवचें म्हणून स्थानीक लोक जे आसा हेणे मागले कडेन आसा
आमगे सकाळ मॉर्निंग मिडनायट अराउंड 3:30 तेन्ना जालो बट आमी न्हिदोन आसतलीं हॉस्पिटल सो ते आमगे माय सकाळ उठोवप पळय 5:30 तेन्ना ती आमकां फाटली देर ओपन मेळ्ळें मागीर मायन आमकां भायर वचोन पळयलें जाल्यार म्हगे सगळी स्ट्रींग बॅग आसलोली हँड बॅग आसलो ती सगळी भायर आसलोली आनी सगळे उस्तिलो आसलोले सो ते मागीर मागीर म्हाका उठोवपा आयली न्हिदलो आसलो तेणी म्हाका उठोवन वयली भायर ऑन चोवपाक गेल्यार मुगे सगळी बॅगां उस्तिलो आसलोली आनी मुगे गोल्ड ना जाले आनी कॅश 15,000 कॅश आसलोले पसा सो ते कॅश नाय आनी मुगे गळ्यांतले ना गळ्यांतले आनी 2 कांकणां एक ब्रेसलेट आनी मुगे बाबागे चेन ते ना आनी एक कानात पेर आसलोलो तो हांवें काडून दवरलेलो आनी 2 रिंग मुगेली फिंगर इतले वस्तू मुगे नाय जाले
प्लस थोडी कॅश
15,000 अशे कॅश आसलोले
अंदाज कितले जाता भांगराचे पयशे
भांगराचो अराउंड जातोले 5 लाख अशे जातोले कित्याक मुगे दोनी कांकणां बी म्हळ्यार म्हाका टोटल आतां पासून हे केलें जाल्यार म्हाका
2 लाख वयर
मेळटले मुगे बँगल्स म्हळ्यार दोनी
सो पुलीस कंप्लेन केली
पुलीस कंप्लेन तेन्ना मागीर फोन करून आपयले अराउंड 6 o'clock बिफोर 6 टायम
पुलीस
येयले सगळे जाले उपरांत मागीर आनी पुलीस येवन इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन
कितें सीसीटीव्ही फुटेज बी कितें मेळ्ळा
सीसीटीव्ही फुटेज म्हळ्यार थिंग ते 12 सीसीटीव्ही फुटेजीचे मेळ्ळा तेगे मुखल्यानसान कोण स्प्लेंडर घेवन बायक टर्न मारून गेलो तो मेळ्ळा म्हळ्यार तो इश्ट देंवलो आनी मागीर कितें कांय कळना सद्या अजून कांय खबर ना
हे चोरये म्हणल्यार आतां आमगे गांवांत अशें करून चोरी केन्ना जायनासल्यो पयलीं हे फर्स्ट टायम हो इन्सिडंट घडला आनी हाजे नंतर हे अशें घडपा जायना तर पेट्रोलिंग मातशें पुलिसान हे वाडोवपा जाय
पेट्रोलिंग करपा जाय
पेट्रोलिंग करपा जाय
म्हणजे हांगा खंय तर पेट्रोलिंग कमी आसा
ताका मातशें हांवें पुलिसान मातशें एक्शन घेवपाचें हेजेर
बाळ्ळी पाट्या म्हळ्यार हाजे पयलीं केन्नाय जालें ना म्हाका दिसता हे फर्स्ट टायम जाला आनीक बाळ्ळी 4 रस्त्यार 4 दीस पयलीं जाल्ली
हांवें आयकलां त्या भशेन आय थिंक आमगे ब्रह्मदेवा पेडा कडेन थंयचेय कितें तरी दिवली बी व्हेल्यात बट हें आतां स्टार्ट जालां सद्याक ह्या बाजून तेन्ना पुलिसांनी पेट्रोलिंग करचें जावं रेल्वे स्टेशन चॅक करचें जावं हे जे मायग्रंट्स आहात जे आतां काम करतात तांकां सगळ्यांक चॅक करचें आनी खंय रावतात तेंचें व्हेरिफिकेशन करपाचें अत्यंत गरज आसा आनी ह्यो अशी चोरी जावपा ह्यो वाडपा जायना हें जाता तितली पुलिसांनी कंट्रोल करपा जाय.
Ramesh Naik Raut, Gautami Gaonkar and Omkar Deshprabhu for Goa 365.
We'll take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Now for some sports news. Spring Boys Mandopa emerged victorious in the 4th All Goa Inter-Village Open Football Tournament organized by Davorlim Sports and Cultural Club. The thrilling final match against Kurtorim Boys saw Spring Boys Mandopa secure a 3-2 win.
Kurtorim Boys started strong with Milagres Fernandez scoring in the 10th minute. However, Mandopa's Costa equalized with a powerful header in the 24th minute. In the second half, Mandopa pulled ahead with goals from Malappa and Presley in the 43rd and 47th minutes respectively. Kurtorim's Joy managed to score in the dying minutes of the game, but it wasn't enough to close the gap. Spring Boys Mandopa received a prize of Rs 40,000 and a trophy for their victory, while Kurtorim Boys were awarded Rs 30,000 and a trophy for their efforts. The event also recognized individual achievements, with Mairich of Kurtorim winning the best goal of the tournament, Royson Kolaso of Davorlim scoring the highest in the tournament, and Malappa of Mandopa being named the best defender. Wellington from Spring Boys earned the title of the best forward, while Mandopa's Costa was named the player of the final and the best forward. Sandeep Tuekar, Manish Parab and Bhaktipai Bargi for Goa 365.
Now for the weather. After a breezy and hot Monday, we'll be in for a breezy and hot Tuesday. We are expecting an increase in cloud cover this week, but not much of a change in the temperature. Highs to start the week will be in the mid-30s even with the abundant cloud cover. Here's more details on what's in store for Tuesday.
Windy as ever, Tuesday comes with no promise of respite from the heat. Highs on this humid day are forecast as 35, but the real feel will be anywhere between 38 and 40. There is no heat wave warning, but the elevated temperatures come with the risk of heat strokes nonetheless. So be sure to spend the afternoon indoors and to keep up the intake of water and electrolytes. The low is predicted as 25. Mostly cloudy skies expected on Tuesday. Maximum and minimum temperatures on Tuesday 35 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius respectively. Northerly winds to increase humidity and temperatures. IMD warns of light haze and fog in the morning. Citizens urged to stay indoors and to stay hydrated amid rising temperatures. Bureau Report, Goa 365 with inputs from IMD.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. And for more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube Goa 365 TV. Take care, stay safe and keep watching Goa 365.